Guys, for today's video guys, we will discuss guys the difference between Korean cards versus Japanese cards. So actually we will check is it worth it guys to invest or to buy Korean packs or Korean cards. So later on we will show you the difference and what are the expectation when you buy some Korean cards or packs. So basically guys, the difference between the price. So for example, if you will buy a card in Shopee or any platform is almost half the price. So the Japanese card is more expensive twice than the Korean cards. So but is it really that much? The difference between those two is really that much? Actually guys, if you will ask me, okay, if you will ask me guys, in terms of illustration rares, actually I can say that the image or the how I say or the clarity of the design in the Japanese version is more vibrant. You can see the color definition is really a bit different in terms of illustration rare. So we will talk one by one. EX card, illustration rare, SER cards. Okay, so this is an example of the illustration rare in Korean. Okay, so it's not that shiny. It's not that shiny, but the quality of the photo of the image is really nice as well. Okay, so this is the Japanese version. So Japanese version is more, how I say, it's more glossy. It's more glossy in terms of illustration rare. Okay, so both is original cards. Both is original cards, guys. And it's in terms of illustration rare, I can say that the Japanese cards is a bit better than Korean, but it should not be a gauge to say that the value of Korean cards should be super less than Japanese cards. So I will show you guys a very big example. Okay, let's grab some cards from the same set. Okay, so this is the Japanese version, guys, from Paradise Dragona. And as you can see, the EX card here is very colorful, and the texture is really different compared to other EX card. So if you'll buy EX card, I would suggest you buy card from Paradise Dragona. It's really nice. Okay, so this is the Korean version. As you can see guys, the texture is also the same. The texture is also the same. You can see the quality of that photo, the image and the texture is really the same. I cannot say guys I cannot say any big difference in terms of the EX card. Okay, especially for the Paradise Dragona set. It's 90% the same or almost 100% in terms of the EX card. So in illustration rare, we can say that the illustration rare of the Japanese version is a bit way better than the, okay, so this is the Korean, this is the Japanese. So the glossiness or the vibrantness of the Japanese version is more, you can see the color difference a bit. The blue color here is more defined than the green color here. But the quality guys, you see you see guys, it's really defined as well. It's just that it's more shiny. That's what I can say. So again, for illustration rare, okay, Japanese version, Korean version, you see there's no much glossiness. There is, but it's not that so glossy and like here. Okay, let's try to swap here. Same. I think that's the major difference. But guys, for the SAR, okay, yeah, we'll compare the SAR. Okay, this is Hydrapol SAR Japanese version. I will show you the texture, guys. The texture is really insane. You can see the texture in the card. It's really original and it's really beautiful. But the SAR also of Korean, guys, is also nice and the texture is also insane. So this is our latest pull, guys, from the Heatwave set SAR Sinchas Garchomp. Very expensive card. Imagine if you pull this, even though in Korean, guys, it's really really nice, guys. It's really satisfying just to see the texture of this card. And this is selling for around 1,000 ringgit. So, but yeah, it's selling in our shop. I'm selling this in our Shopee shop, guys. Daily Dose of Magic for almost half the price. You can visit that. I'll put the description, guys, in this video. You can buy this. This is a 100% original card, newly pulled just last weekend only, guys. And the centering is really good. If I will rate this, guys, for example, I will submit this in PSA, I would say that this around 9 or 9.5. It's really clean. So SR and SAR, in this one is Korean, okay, SR in Korean, and SAR in Korean is 99 to near 100% same texture than the Japanese. Also the EX card, guys, you see the EX card of Korean is almost the same. You know the quality of the EX card, the shiny, the quality of the photo, the image is the same, guys, or more, or we can say that sometimes it's better than the Japanese version. So I think that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you can see the difference between, because I don't know, it's really, there's really some gap in the collection in the community, wherein the Korean version is really sometimes being put in very low rating. They see the Korean version as class A only, but in fact the quality of Korean cards is way better, sometimes way better than the English versions. Yeah, between the three, guys, I can say that the Japanese version is the best version in terms of artwork and in terms of quality. And I can say, guys, I've been collecting Pokemon since 2019, and I've been collecting, guys, from any other very very old stuff. Okay, and I can tell that the Japanese version is really the best in terms of, the color, the artwork. Actually, the artwork is the same, but the color, the quality of the color, and the shiny is Japanese version is the way better in the three. Okay, I think majority of the people will agree on me on that. That's why I start collecting Japanese Pokemon cards. But when I first saw the Korean cards, guys, I really fell in love with it because it's really, it's really cheap, and then the quality is almost same as the Japanese version. So why not we switch to that, to the affordable one. So I hope this will serve as a lesson and probably increase the the Korean community, Korean Pokemon community. I know there's a lot of people already collecting Korean Pokemon cards. I hope you all support us. And yeah, I see the English version is really, the color is not that nice. This is the English version, Grusha. Okay, I can tell that Japanese and Korean is better. So I hope guys you support also Korean cards, And hopefully you can subscribe on our channel, a growing channel. And if you have any thoughts in your mind, any comments, guys, on this topic, you can comment it out and let's discuss about it. Thank you so much, guys. That's all. And please subscribe. See you in our next video. God bless.